Hello everyone, I am Mohammed Sarfaraz from Mechanical Engineering Department. I'm assistant professor in Engineering College Haraba, and today we are going to discuss about the subject power generation. It is a 8th semester subject and the subject code is 8M3A. So today we are going to discuss about the biomass. That is a form of non-conventional source of energy. So let's start. Okay, as we know that here the bioenergy. From the name, it's specify that what do mean by bioenergy. The energy which is produced by the bio, that is bio means the waste of agriculture, waste of pet animals, waste of household purpose activities. So this is used in a separate tank to produce the biogas, and this biogas is further used for the various purpose for home cooking and various industrial works. So biomass is nothing but it's a renewable form of energy derived from the carbonaceous waste of the various human and natural activities. It derived from the numerous sources including the bioproducts for the food industry, agriculture crops, raw materials from the forest, household wastage, and there's a systematic diagram of biomass. For understanding biogas, it's a very important part. That is, as we know that it's a renewable source. Renewable sense means it's also work in a cycle. That's in just for source of energy is there. Their biogas, the main gases are in a bio. There we there's two main gases are there. First is methane, that is 55% of biogas is methane, and 45% is carbon dioxide. So let's discuss about this systematic diagram. It's a very important part. This shows the cycle that we start from the grass, and that's bio, which is eaten by our pet animal. That's let's say cow, and it is eaten cow eat the grass and produce manure, and which is manure. This is the main part of biogas generator. Biogas is generated in a biogas generator, which is a chamber form, which you can say, where we put a a manure, cow manure, and initial gas for a limited for a stipulated time. And after that time, here in the absence of oxygen, the biogas is generated, which biogas is used for the various household purposes. You can see in the diagram that methane burn for cooking and heating, and this methane gas is used for cooking and heating purpose for various application in a household, and also for in the industrial purpose. You can see here the anaerobic decomposition releases the methane, and a methane gas releases by the anaerobic decomposition. Anaerobic decomposition means the chemical reactions taking place in a absence of oxygen in a biogas chamber, right? So after using this biogas in a cooking purpose, as we know that after burning this biogas, some carbon dioxide is released in the atmosphere, and this carbon dioxide absorbed by the grass or our bio. So there is a cycle completed. So that's why this cycle is called renewable source of energy, or this type of energy is called renewable source of energy. In the next slides, we see the application of biogas. Is a biofuel is a type of biogas, as we know that when the biogas is compressed, that biofuel is generated, and this biofuel is used for various purposes of various transportation machinery, like in a bus, car, in an auto, and airplane, trains. We are using in a various countries. They are using planes and trains by using the biofuels. As we know that in our country also some cities are there where they are restricted to petrol and diesel fuel, because as we know that petrol and diesel fuels produces loss of loss of it produces loss of pollutant gases, which is not good for the atmosphere, right? So there's a main form of the most common type of biofuel are ethanol and the biodiesel. Ethanol is nothing but it's a alcohol which is that used in a beer and wine. It's made from the fermentation by the biomass, which is high in carbohydrates through the process similar to brewing beer. Ethanol is mostly used as a fuel additive to cut down the vehicle carbon monoxide and some smoke causing emissions. So And other another application of biomass is water pumping and electricity generation. As we know that the biogas is possible to operate diesel engine. Okay, diesel engine can run by the this biofuel, and through diesel engine we can generate electricity. And also this diesel engine is used for pumping water. So this is also application of this biofuel or biogas. The next is heat generation. As we know that there's dry few machines are there, devices are there. This is used for heat generation, like rotifier for dryers for drying tea, spices, scale for baking potteries, furnace for melting non-ferrous material, boilers and food station. So there's a various applications are there for biogas biomass. Okay, thank you for this lecture.